Hi guys, let's talk about Infosys. Infosys' current market price is 1461, whereas the quarter four result came out, the share price was 1900, which seems to be very stable. In the last 1 month, the share price fell down drastically, around 25 to 26%. Not only Infosys, but all the companies' share in IT sector fell down drastically. So let's analyze it. While analyzing, we come across that the biggest player, those are FIIs and DIIs, are buying constantly. That is, if we see in December 2021, FII stake was 33.17% and the companies, whereas March 2022, the stake increased to 33.30%. Similarly, DIIs had stake of 16.31% in December 2021, whereas in March 22, it increased to 17.10%. If they are buying it, then who is selling it? The retail investors. Yes, you are right. It had 37.06% in December 2021, whereas in March 22, it reduced to 36.16%. So when there is a fall in the market, it should be looked as a golden opportunity. Second news, which is highlighted, is that Infosys collaborated with Palo Alto Networks to provide cyber security for large enterprise. This to elevate security maturity and to prevent the threats of cyber attacks. Palo Alto Networks has worldwide customers like Mercedes-Benz. The next news is that few days back, Infosys declared dividend in its quarter four result, and the dividend's ex rate is kept as 31st May 2022. That is, even if you buy the Infosys shares now, that is before 31st May 2022, then you will be eligible for dividend of Rs 16 per share. Last year, Infosys faced resistance at 1400, which became a solid support point at this time. The share price today did not go below 1400, so the coming collaboration strategies for Infosys will be seen in the long term. So my recommendation for you right now is to hold Infosys share. Let's talk about Infosys financials. The company is presently having a PE ratio of 27.98, whereas TCS peer has 31.1. Infosys price to book value ratio is 11.57, whereas TCS price to book value ratio is 17.73. The company's EPS is 50.49, whereas TCS EPS is 104.34. The company's return on equity is 29%, whereas TCS return on equity is 43.6%. Therefore, I would recommend to hold the share. Thank you.